Hello everyone, this is the Prodigy, and I'm coming to you this morning with a morning prayer before we move forward. And I want to read to you one of my favorite verses out of the Bible. This, that gets me going every day, and I haven't shared it with you guys in a while. And here it goes. Psalms 27, the Psalms of David. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life, and whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked came against me to eat up my flesh, my enemies and foes, they stumbled and fell. Thou and army may encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Thou war may rise against me, and this I will be confident. One thing I have desired of the Lord, that will I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord, and inquire in his temple. For in the time of trouble he shall hide me in his pavilion. In the secret place of his tabernacle he shall hide me. He shall set me high upon a rock. And now my head shall be lifted up above my enemies all around me. Therefore I will offer sacrifices of joy in his tabernacle. I will sing, yes, I will sing praise to the Lord. Hear, O Lord, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also upon me and answer me. When you said, seek my face, my heart said to you, your face, Lord, I will seek. Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in anger. You have been my help. Do not leave me nor forsake me, O God of my salvation. When my father and my mother forsake me, then the Lord will take care of me. Teach me your way, O Lord, and lead me in the smooth path. Because of my enemies, do not deliver me to the will of my adversaries. For false witnesses have risen against me, and such as breathe out violence. I would have lost heart unless I had believed that I would see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. Guys, I don't know how that touched you right now, but I can feel God's hands upon me. I can feel the blessings coming to me. I can feel them every day. God blessed me with gifts to be able to change the world, guys. I've been marketing over 10 years. I've been a 7-figure earner the last 4. And I've helped thousands and thousands of people succeed. And guys, with my help, I will do the same for you. With God's power, I will do the same for you. Guys, at 16 years old, I had nothing. Growing up, I had nothing. We struggled. We're about to be on the street, me flipping burgers at McDonald's at 16. At 17 years old, I finally made my first $100,000 online. God is great. God is good. He did bless me and my family. We no longer had to go through those heartaches where, your bills were being turned off. You didn't live with AC, you didn't live with cable. We didn't have none of those things, guys. We lived off the church half the time just to survive. But once again, that was God. Because without the church, we wouldn't have had food. Without churches helping us, we wouldn't have been able to pay bills. God did bless me, guys. I'm now 27 years old. I've been a 7-figure earner the last 4 years. And with God's help, I've been able to help other people reach upon God and be blessed as well. God blessed me with these strategies, with these marketing lessons, with everything I know. God blessed me, and I want to return the favor by blessing others. Everyone out there, you're my brother, you're my sister in God's creations. I want you to reach out to me today at 239-362-6591. Even if it's just to talk about what's going on in your life and what's troubling you and what you're having problems with. Call me. I want to challenge you. Once again, my phone number is 239-362-6591. Ladies and gentlemen, I do a program called Email Processing 3.0. Been in this program over 6 years now. Have made over 7 figures with this one program and helped many others succeed. This program is for newbies. This program is for professionals. If you're a newbie, we're going to teach you all you need to know. We're going to hold your hand until you reach the top. If you're a professional, we're going to show you how to drive those leads, and we're going to take some of that burden off your shoulder by closing all those sales for you. With our advanced level, it comes with an automation software. The advanced level is $50 off right now. I'm mentioning YouTube using our beta merchant, which is our backup merchant processor. Guys, give me a call at 239-362-6591 and you'll get that advanced level at $200, the pro level at $100. The website is godslifequotes.com. That's GODSLIFEQUOTES.com. The link is also in the description. Guys, with my advanced level, we're taking all the hard work out of marketing for you. We want to make sure you see results and that you're going to be able to see success. Because God put everyone on this earth to do something better than what you're doing now. You shouldn't be stressing because that's lack of faith. You shouldn't be stressing because God is with you. Ask and you shall receive. Ask God and you shall receive. Life is a test. Pass that test and you will live the life you want to live. Do not be encamped. Do not be grasped by the demons. Ask God now to destroy those demons and He will. Guys, with my advanced level comes with the automation software. This automation software drives the same type of traffic that Google, Yahoo, Bing, and all those other programs out there actually generate that you pay $5 to $10 a click for. We're going to be giving you an unlimited amount of this traffic, for lifelong, guys. We have a contract with Google, Yahoo, and Bing. We put over $200,000 into this software, and it's working wonders, guys. That's 50% of why most newbies fail is because they can't drive traffic. This software is doing it for you. The other 50% of newbies fail because they can't close sales. We're doing that as well, guys. We're making sure all these leads are being closed. That way you're actually guaranteed that $300 to $500 a day and that you're actually going to be able to see that. While we're teaching you to be a pro, of course, because we don't want you to be sitting in the background and in the future not know what you're doing. So while you're sitting in the background still making money day one, day two, we're going to be teaching you how we're doing it, what you need to do, and how you can be just like us. Guys, if you're looking for a program to put on autopilot and see some guaranteed results, Email Processing 3.0 is the program for you. Call me once again. My phone number is 239-362-6591, or come on over to godslifequotes.com, fill out the form, and we'll get it back in contact with you ASAP. God is in your heart. God is with you. God has brought you to the right person. God has brought you to the right place. God is not going to guide you in any direction He don't think you should go. Let God grab the wheel and stop wrecking today. Let Him guide you to your success. Everyone out there, may God be in your hearts. Until my next video, this is The Prodigy saying, God bless.